In today's lesson, we will talk about another data type of Python. How can we format dictionary? We will look at its formatting. In it, we defined a dictionary in it, geeks 4127. For this, and equal our keys, and in this key, the value we have is a big value. Now when I have to print it, at the time of printing, the value of geeks in front of geeks in 0 position, value of for which we will treat as decimal. And for the geeks at the end again, we will print the geek keys value against this geek. Dot format by using format function, we will pass the dictionary which we are going to format as argument. If I run it, it has printed 4127 in front of geeks, the value of for in front of it, and again for geeks the value that was printed out last. The second way to format a dictionary is that we have a dictionary function of dict which is built in and available in Python. Through it we will first create dictionary. First we will write geeks for geeks against fun and portal is available against adj. We are printing fun, that is in curly brackets. I love fun. Meaning in these curly brackets the value of fun computer and in this adj the value of key will be placed. Dot format means that we have to format this dictionary. If I save it and run, it has printed I love geeks for geeks computer portal. It has formatted our dictionary. The last thing we have discussed in formatting is that we have, for example, in Word's document, we have indentations. Left justify, right justify. Similarly, in Python, we also have indentations. And we have to center align a string. By centrally align, we mean the output I will get is, it will have padding on the left and right by the name of hash. In padding, some space will be given and it will be aligned in the center. Whichever string I want to do this to. Similarly, next we have left aligned, meaning the output will be left aligned with padding. The left aligned string is in this we have. We can change the symbol as we want as well. Place steric, it will left align it with the help of steric, meaning all the padding will come to the right side. If we right align it, all the padding will come to the left side and we will find a string right aligned. Our string which we have aligned, we find it right aligned. The thing we learned in this lesson is the most important process is how we can format using the modulo operator. Then we discussed form function, that how we can by using format function format different values, different tuples, float numbers, symbol numbers, how we can format dictionaries. After that we discussed alignments, left alignment, right alignment, center alignment, that how we can align a string or text, how we can format it on the screen.